Yo, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing today? I'm sorry, I'm sweaty, it's hot, I'm dirty, I gotta get a shower. But I wanted to share this with you guys. I said I wasn't going to do it because I'm not 100% sure if I remember all the steps. But, so, I recently got NCA, which I'm sure a lot of you did. I have a capture card to stream it through my PC, but I had no audio. So let me show you guys this. This is how you fix your audio issues. Now, I specifically have an Alienware monitor. I have the Hd60x capture card, and I have a PS5. So this works for this setup specifically. So as you can see, I have my Elgato. You can see the audio's coming up, but you couldn't actually hear it. You couldn't actually hear it through my stream. So what I ended up having to do, is a couple things actually. So the first thing I had to do was go to settings. Settings, I went to sound. Whoops. And from sound, I had to change let's see if I unplug it from there, plug it in here. Okay, so I guess that only comes up if your headphones are plugged in the controller. So anyway, I had to go here, I had to change this from controller to the TV. Once I did that, I was able, and by the way, I have an Alienware monitor. After I did that, I was able to actually take the headphones and plug them directly into the monitor here. Okay, so now I can hear the game, and you can adjust your sound volume through the monitor itself. Actually, directly through the monitor, you can turn the sound up. So I think it starts at like 50 out of 100. Okay, so after you do that, honestly, most of you guys will probably be good if you do that exact same way that I did. So we already know the stream's getting it. We just had to make sure that we could also hear it. But one thing I had changed after looking at a previous video that you have to change back or just don't touch at all. This will actually be on Streamlabs. So under Streamlabs, you want to come in right here, and under Elgato, you'll drop this down, and you want to set this for monitor off. And once you do that, you'll be able to hear, and your stream can hear. And ultimately, that's all we want. So I hope this helped. If it did, please leave me a like. Please subscribe. I really hope this helped. Like I said, I'm dirty. I'm tired. If this helped you in any way, please like the video. If you have a chance, please subscribe if you have a chance. We appreciate you watching. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll catch you later.